In today's quick tip, I'm going to show you all how you can change an image size with quick actions. So let's get to it. So as you see here, I have a image right here on my desktop, and maybe I want to change it or convert it to something else. So all I have to do here is right click on it, go down here to quick actions, and go to convert image. Now this is in Monterey version of Mac. I'm not really sure if it's that way prior to Monterey, but I think it's Monterey and thereafter. So if you hit convert image, you'll see this dialog box comes up and it says JPEG, PNG, or HEIF, right? And then you have small, medium, large, or actual size. So let's say, for instance, I want to convert this because it's a PNG and I want to convert it to a JPEG, but I want to keep the actual size. Now, all I need to do, it's also going to preserve the metadata, by the way. Now, what I'm going to do is hit convert JPEG, and voila, there is the converted file. It's just that simple. So I hope you all enjoyed this quick tip, and if you did, don't forget to hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more of these videos in the future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Take care. Bye.